Marnas, I do not have the monitor. My monitor. Okay. What's sa ro pala maudimo? What's sa ntate mo foya no pala maudimo? All right, ladies and gents, we just wanted to take a quick dry run for those who will be receiving certificates, such that we show them how it's done, such that we avoid confusion on stage. Right? So when your name is called, you will ascend the stage on my left, which is your right. You ascend the stage on my left, which is your right. Okay, so let's take that for a quick dry run, and the recipient for the best dressed male of the year is Thabang Mokgosi. He receives, or you receive, your certificate, and you must smile like it. You are happy, you must smile. Okay, so you must smile. You greet the director or the MEC. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, thank you. You will also receive your trophy there, but be very careful. The trophies are very fragile and expensive. So hold them from the base. Hold them from the base. And then when you are done, you come to the back of the seats. And you stand there until there's a sizable number of people, such that we could take a group photo. Once that is done, you descend the stage to my right. Thank you, Thabang. You have been handsomely enchanting. Okay, let's take that for another dry run again. Let's take that to my right. Primary school teachers understand. It must be demonstrated. Descend the stage, Thabang, nicely. Hallelujah. Beautiful. Come back for the third dry run. We learn by repetition. You must repeat it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 8 times until you get it right. Tibello, if you can start calling everybody to the bakena kamara ngwanaka. Nako easy. Tibello, one of the ushers must just start calling people. Thank you. Okay, the secretary of the year goes to Thabang Mokgosi. Elele. Gets a certificate, smiling, greets the MEC, the director, the sponsors. Beautiful. He goes to the back of the seats until there's a sizable number of people for a group photo. He descends the stage. On the right, on the left, right. Good.